Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Wallpaper Engine resolution. So the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Wallpaper Engine, and once it is opened, what I want you to do is just come here, click on settings, and this will open up this pop-up menu, and here I'll show you under performance. You can scroll down, you'll actually see quality. So it's set to low, medium, high, and ultra. For me right now, it's set to high. As you can see right here, we have different options enabled as well. For example, textures, shadows, post-processing, things like that. So if I go ahead and change this to low, it will automatically update the quality. As you can see, now it's a much lower quality. And then you can also set it back to high or ultra. You just go ahead and click on it and it will actually change. As you can see, there's actually a noticeable difference in quality, especially with certain wallpapers. But that is how to change Wallpaper Engine resolution. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.